Hey, what's going on guys? Ryan here at DetailKing.com, and today we're going to be taking a look at Detail King's Pure Finish Polish. Pure Finish is the final step in our paint correction process, and it is meant to be used after the polishing step. Now, Pure Finish is all about leaving your paint in the best condition and as glossy as possible. It's best used for removing track marks and buffer swirls caused by previous paint correction stages. When used properly, Pure Finish is the best product to use before ceramic coating your vehicle because it leaves your paint in the best condition possible. Okay guys, so now it's time to show you how Pure Finish works. We've already went and paint corrected this hood up to the Pure Finish step. For more information on how to properly paint correct your vehicle, make sure you watch the link descriptions in the video below or head on over to DetailKing.com. So to use Detail King's Pure Finish, the first thing you're gonna wanna do is get your favorite polisher and cutting pad. In this case, I'm gonna use the Flex DA with a Lake Country White Fine cutting pad. You'll wanna work in about a 2 foot by 2 foot section. This helps provide consistency in your finish. If you work in an area bigger than that, in some cases, you'll have more passes on one section than on another. So here we taped off our 2 foot by 2 foot section to demonstrate just how Pure Finish works. Now, there's still track marks and buffer swirls left from previous paint correction stages. This is what Pure Finish is gonna take care of. To begin, we're gonna first prime our pad using our Miracle Mist Express Shine. Then we're gonna apply our Pure Finish in a few dime-sized drops. Now we're gonna evenly spread the product out over the surface area. For this, we're gonna put our Flex DA on speed setting 1. Now we'll bump it up to speed setting 3 so we can start correcting. We'll correct just like we would in any other paint correction phase using a crosshatch pattern. When using Pure Finish, you'll want to buff slowly while applying even light pressure. Let the machine do all the work for you. Pure Finish will flash off after just a few passes. You can tell if it flashes off once the product starts to leave a clear haze. Finally, I'm going to take my favorite exterior microfiber towel, Detail King Super Towel, and we will buff off to reveal a near perfect high gloss shine. Okay, so now you guys know all about Detail King's Pure Finish Polish. Make sure you subscribe to us on YouTube, like us on Facebook, and follow us on Instagram. Comment any videos you'd like to see below. And as always, don't forget, for all the products you need to keep your car clean like a Detail King, visit us right here at DetailKing.com. See you guys next time.